In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the HubSpot platform efficiently. This guide will walk you through a series of steps to help you manage your customer relations and business operations with ease. We'll start by heading over to a key resource on the HubSpot platform, and I'll break down each step to ensure you understand how to navigate through these valuable features effectively. First, we need to begin our journey by accessing the user guide on HubSpot. If you're not already familiar with this, it's an incredibly useful section where you can learn about various functionalities available to you within the platform. Once you're on the HubSpot home interface, look for a link or icon that directs you to the user guide. This is where you'll find all the instructions and support required to make the most out of your HubSpot experience. Next, you'll want to click on the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. It's one of the core elements of HubSpot, designed to help you streamline processes and improve your customer satisfaction. By clicking on CRM, you'll gain access to a comprehensive system that lets you manage your data efficiently. Be on the lookout for a CRM tab on the navigation menu or in your dashboard area. Clicking this will take you into the heart of HubSpot's data management capabilities. Once you're in the CRM section, the next step is to navigate to companies. This is a crucial part of the platform that allows you to view and manage all your company records and interactions. Look for the Companies option in the CRM menu and give it a click. This will present you with a list of all the companies you have on record, allowing you to access each company's details effortlessly. The Companies section is where you can view detailed profiles and track your engagement with different organizations. Now, let's venture further by clicking on HubSpot. This part might seem a bit meta, but within the user interface, you'll find an option labeled HubSpot. When you click on this, it typically brings you to a broader view of your HubSpot activities, giving you insights into how your tools are performing and what might need your attention. Lastly, to add new entries or modify existing ones, such as adding new contact details or updating company information, you'll want to use the Add button. This option is usually available within the Companies section or other specific areas where additions and updates are permissible. Clicking Add allows you to input the necessary data, thereby keeping your CRM up to date and ensuring your company's operations are running smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll harness the power of HubSpot's CRM platform very effectively, managing your businesses with greater ease and insight. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope you find these steps helpful in optimizing your use of HubSpot.